Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my mango chicken curry. Please sit back and enjoy. So first you've got 2 capsicums and you just need to scrape out the white part. I just use a spoon and scrape along the white to remove it. Then I tap the capsicum on the bench to remove any excess seeds. There are plenty of other ways to do this, but just do what you are most comfortable with. So now that your capsicums are all cleaned up, you just want to grab one and slice it into thin strips, and then with the other you just want to cut that into a rough dice. Next up you need to cut up 2 onions, and once again one for slicing and one for dicing. The diced onion and capsicum will end up being blended for the sauce, and the sliced onion and capsicum will end up going into the finished product. After that you just cut up your chicken unless you've bought pre-diced chicken, and here I am using thighs and I'm just cutting off any excess fat and dicing them into medium-sized pieces. Now it's time to go over the ingredients. First up we got 1 diced onion, 1 diced capsicum, 1 diced medium-sized mango, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 3 to 4 tablespoons of curry powder depending on your tolerance for curry, half a cup of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 can or 400 ml of coconut cream, 1 sliced capsicum, 1 sliced onion, and 3 chicken thighs. This recipe serves 2 if you eat it with rice. So now that we are cooking, you need to have a wok with some oil in it, and then you'll want to toss in your onions and cook them up just to soften them a little bit. So now that we've accomplished getting the onions to go soft, you need to add in your diced capsicum, give that a mix through just to get some heat in it, and then you'll need to toss in your mango. Once your mango's got a little bit of heat in it, you'll want to toss in all your curry powder and give it a mix through just to get everything completely coated. Once everything is completely coated in your curry powder, you'll want to grab your coconut cream and dump it into your wok and then give it a stir to mix everything together. Once completed, add in your salt and pepper, give that a stir through, and then add in your chicken stock, mix it through and let it reduce. Once it has reduced slightly, you'll just want to let it cool before putting it through a blender and blending it into a smooth liquid. Once blended, you can now cook your final product, so place all your chicken into a wok with a bit of oil in it and get it cooking. Now while the chicken is still cooking, you'll want to grab your onions and throw them in, give it a mix through and soften them up a little bit. And you'll also want to add in your sliced capsicum and give everything a great stir. Once everything is partially cooked, you want to get your blended sauce and pour it all into the wok and give everything a good stir. Cook until your chicken is cooked through and your veg is soft. And stir occasionally to stop anything sticking to the bottom. Now that my veg is soft and chicken is cooked, I'm tasting the sauce just to check for seasoning, and my mangoes didn't seem to be sweet enough, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and giving it a stir through. Now to plate, I'm just serving over the top of some rice, although you can eat it without. I enjoy it more with rice. Now it's time to eat. Try and make this yourself. You will love it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.